Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to get Street View in Google Maps. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First open Google Maps on your phone. Then first turn on Street View to get Street View from Google Maps. For this, tap here. Now tap on Street View option. Tap on close icon. See here, now Street View is now turned on. To get a street view of a desired location, tap on this location. See here, this is street view of this location. You can find a location by searching here. See here. Now tap on this. See here, this is street view of this location. You can find any locations street view by this method. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.